So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about the power of choice and how that, my friends, is going to help you craft you to be the person you want to be or the life that you want. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, in this video, I want to talk about the power of choice and how that's going to help you create the person you like to be or become and craft the life that you see for yourself. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, and your outfit is the metaphor for your reality or experience. And I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is a women's apparel line. You can find out more about Girl Censored at girlcensored.com. Now today in this video, I want to talk about the power of choice and how every day we have the opportunity to create the life that we want and become the person we want to be. A lot of times we feel like we don't have a choice. And the truth of the matter is that we do have a choice. And I talk a lot about that in my book, You Choose Your Outfit, and how you are the designer of your life and how you can create and manipulate your reality to be what you want it to be. And I see a lot of times, and for a long time, myself included, we feel like we don't have a choice. But there is so much power in the fact that we do have choices and the fact that we have the ability to choose every single day. Every single day, we have to make the choice to either live the status quo or to change things. And I actually have this written on my mirror, is that every day is a choice. And for a long time, I thought that life was happening to me. I was the victim, and I was a victim of this person. I was the victim of this situation. I was the victim of this circumstance. And until one day, it wasn't just one day, it was like over a period of time, honestly. I had a spiritual awakening, and then, life unfolded in the way that it unfolded. But what it boils down to is that I did come to the conclusion and realize that I am the creator of my experience, and I can choose to either continue down the road that I was going down, or I can make a choice every single day to be uncomfortable. Because when you're trying to change your reality, especially when you're trying to become a different person and portray yourself in a different way, it is uncomfortable. And that's why a lot of people don't make that choice. But there's so much power in choice. There's so much power in decision. And every day we have the opportunity to make a decision. Every day we have an opportunity to make a choice. And I say this because sometimes people have this thing in their mind saying, well, I didn't have a choice. But you do. You do. You have the choice and decision to surround yourself with certain people. Okay? You have the choice and decision to change your behaviors every single day. It might not feel comfortable to you. You might be in a habit of doing something or acting a certain way, but you have to take your power back and understand that you do have a choice. And I know, like in my own experience, like even in my relationship, I'll take my relationship for example. I was not comfortable showing physical affection outwardly. That was not something that I grew up with. It was very uncomfortable for me. However, I knew my partner wanted that and needed that. And so for me, I have to make the choice every day. Like, this doesn't feel comfortable to me right now, but I'm making a choice. And eventually, those choices that you make will become habit. They will become you. And so it's about making choices to create the experience that you want to experience, whether it's public speaking or a certain kind of career that you know is going to push you outside your comfort zone. It's about making the choice every single day, you know, to get outside that comfort zone. I know for me, I am very shy. And a lot of people don't think that about me because of some of the things that I've done and some of the things that I do, especially like being even on YouTube and creating videos and stuff like that. People think that I'm not shy, but I'm extremely shy. But for me, I know what my calling is, I know what my purpose is, and I know that for me, in order to live in my purpose, I have to make the decision and choice every day to live outside my comfort zone, to create a video, to do outreach, to do this, that, and the other, even though it doesn't feel comfortable for me. But it's about me making that choice, making the decision, and living in it. There is so much power in our choices, whether it be the people we surround ourselves with. It's whether or not we succumb to temptation, even though we know that it might not serve us in our lives, it might not serve us in what we're doing, it might not serve us in our families, it might not serve us in our relationships. But you have to know that you do have a choice and you do have a decision to make, and there's so much power in it because that's going to help you become the person that you want to be. And I know even in relationships, especially in relationships, depending on what you see for yourself and what you want to be, the person you want to be, you have a choice to make every single day. Now, I made a video about operating from a place of love. And operating from a place of love, let's keep it real, is not easy, okay? It is not easy. At least it's not for me. Because sometimes when you are triggered and someone makes you mad and someone might say something, you know what I mean? Or do something, you know what I mean? Okay? But we have to know that we still have the opportunity, the power to make a choice that's going to be a reflection of who we want to be and how we want to show up in this world. We always, always, always have a choice and a decision to make. And that, my friends, is your power. And so you have to think about how you want to be and how you want to show up and who you see yourself as and what kind of choices do they make and how you can start making those choices. Though they might feel uncomfortable at first, yes, that's expected. You're expected, especially when it's unfamiliar, it's going to feel uncomfortable. But always have it at the back of your mind that this is my choice, this is my decision, that's my power. And that, my friends, is going to help you create the reality that you see for yourself, the experience in which you want to experience, and the person that you want to be. So I wanted to share that because I think it's important that we understand that it's a decision, it's a choice, it's an everyday thing. And that's why I actually have it written on my mirror because I have to remind myself every single day it is a choice. And so it's that decision that I have to make. Okay, this is how I want to show up in my relationship. This is how I want to show up for my family. This is how I want to show up in the world. It's the decision, it's the choice that I make for myself that's going to help me become the person I want to be, and that is my power. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your experience or your reality. If you would like to know more about that book, I'm going to leave the link below for that. And if you want to find out more about me, you can always check me out on my website at ambermarieturner.com. And if you're also interested in learning more about our women's apparel line, Girl Centered, definitely check us out at girlcentered.com. You get 10% off your first purchase there, so definitely take advantage of that discount. Anyways, you guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed. And until next time, I will check you in the next video. Peace.